Also, what I really like about driving the BYD Dolphin is the field of vision while driving the car. Kahit medyo maliit yung size ng Dolphin, ang ganda rin ng field of vision while driving. So, let me show you. So, ayan o, kahit subcompact vehicle siya, ang laki ng salamin niya. So, ano din eh, maliwanag siya. So, wala siyang masyadong blind spot. Especially this one, this really helps mag-ano ng blind spot. So, yung quarter panel na yan. And also, the side mirrors, malaki din siya. So, madaling makita yung mga ibang sasakyan sa likod. So, yung surroundings mo, for me I was expecting na may mga blind spot to. Ito maganda yung field of vision mo with the car. Also, and meron din siyang 360 camera, of course. So, check natin. And also, syempre, meron din siyang 360 camera. So, maganda na yung field of vision mo, may 360 cam ka pa. So, you can change the view, the front, the rear, the side, left and right. Ayan, no. So, ewan ko lang kung mahirapan ka pa i-drive to. So, high-tech.